buying expensive coffee, lattes, and expressos way too often? If so, you should keep watching this video to see how I cut my costs and still enjoy delicious lattes from the comfort of my home. Welcome back to my channel where we discuss social work, healthy living, and natural beauty. 1 to 2 cups of coffee a day can actually be healthy for you depending upon how it's prepared. But first, if you have seen any of my previous videos and enjoyed today's video, I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each week when I upload new videos. Buying lattes for me is a form of self-care. So I wanted to still enjoy a nice latte, especially with the winter coming up and the cold months ahead of us. But I did not want to continue to pay $5 to $6 a day for a really nice latte. So I decided after a little research to purchase the Nespresso. I've had my Nespresso now for about 3 weeks. And I also purchased a milk frother to go along with it. If I could do it all over again, I definitely would repurchase it. And I have not purchased an expensive latte since I purchased that machine. The Nespresso makes quality coffee, lattes, and expressos. You just have to purchase the capsule, which come about 10 in a box, and the cost is between $10 to $11. The cost of the machine varies depending upon the type of machine that you want, but I will be sure to link my exact machine in the description box below. When you purchase the Nespresso machine, you will get a variety pack of the different capsules. Out of that pack, I found my favorite so far, which is called the Bianco Leggero. And then my other favorite is the pumpkin spice cake. So you have to buy that one individually. And the ingredients that I use in the description box below. So without further ado, this is how I make my non-dairy, delicious, pretty much sugar-free latte. Okay, so to begin, you just want to place your cup here. You want to, of course, make sure that both of the devices are plugged in. You're going to open the Nespresso. You're going to put in your capsule, and mine is the Melazazio. And press it down. I'm going to press. The coffee is going to come out, and while the coffee is brewing, you're going to take your milk of choice, and mine is the oat barista blend. It's vegan, and I'm going to fill it up to, there's 2 different levels in here, and I'm going to just fill mine up to the max. There's a line that shows you if you want minimum or maximum milk. Put the milk in the frother and just press the button for that to begin. Okay, so my coffee is just about done. So now I'm just going to take a cup that I want it to stay hot in. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the coffee in. I'm going to add 1, you could do it with no sugar. This is a 0-calorie sweetener, stevia in the raw, and I just use 1. And this is it here. I make sure to link everything that I use in the description below. I take a little bit of sugar-free vanilla syrup, and I pour a little in. And now I'm just waiting on the milk to finish in the frother. And while we're waiting, you always want to make sure that you have water in the device here, so that your coffee latte or espresso is able to brew. You can use any choice of water you like. Okay, so now the milk is done in the frother, so I'm just going to pick it up, take the top off, pour milk in, what you want to do with this, as soon as after you use it, you want to wipe it out. Okay, you want to make sure you wipe it out with a wet cloth after every use. And then now I'm just going to take a stir and stir it up. Okay. And you're done. So you can put top on it, drink it like this, whichever you like, but it's absolutely delicious. So I'll just take a sip now. It's really, really good. So try it out and let me know what you think. A quick disclosure is that this video was not sponsored. I just wanted to share something with you all that, one, saved me money, and two, makes me really happy. So if you decide to purchase one, I would love for you to leave a comment and let me know which machine you decide to purchase and what are your favorite flavors. Is the Nespresso worth it? Yes, and I would definitely repurchase it again. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.